What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Cadillac XT5 Smart Key Remote Fob. This Cadillac XT5 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button that my thumb's on right here, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We just set that to the side. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in this space right here, this little notch. So I'm going to stick my screwdriver in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it pops that back cover up just a little bit. And go ahead and pull the back cover off the rest of the way with your hands like that. Now we see our battery right here. And I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new replacement battery with the plus side down. So plus side goes down onto the cover like that. Snap that into place. Then we can snap the back cover on. Slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.